Hey guys, this is Teacher Elo, and I'm here to explain commas with lists. Okay, so the first question is, what is a list? So a list is many examples or many items. That just means many things. Like in this picture, we see many fruits, different types of fruit. And a list is usually 3 or more items. Okay, so just like we said in the picture, there are many items, so the sentence would be an example of a list. There are strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, kiwis, and peaches. So here we have 5 items. 5 different foods. So here we have strawberries, we have a comma because that is the first item. Blueberries, comma, that is the second item. Raspberries, comma, the third item. Kiwis, comma, fourth item. And peaches. Alright, and here are everything underlined. Alright, so here we see many different foods and we need to separate them with a comma. So if you have 2 items, 2 foods or 2 cars, 2 things, anything, do you need a comma? So no, there's no comma necessary when you're talking about 2 items. So in this picture, the example, we ate fries and ketchup. There's only 2 different foods here, so we can just say fries and ketchup, no commas, because it's not really a list with commas. Okay, no comma. Okay, next one is spacing. So spacing is the different area in the middle. Usually they're between the words, like right here, right? So you need a space after each comma. So for example, the supermarket was clean, affordable, and big. So here you have clean, comma, a space, affordable, and big. So those are the spaces right there. So you cannot put everything together, right? You need to separate them so it's very clear when we're reading that there are different items. Okay, here are some more examples. My friends and I went to Houston, Indianapolis, Miami, and Los Angeles. The children ate chicken, potatoes, and cake. It is important to breathe, relax, do exercise, and learn. Okay, so looking at these, we have all the different items underlined. So first one, we had 4 different cities. Those are the items. The second example, we had 3 different foods. Right? Those are the items. And number 3, we had 4 different activities. So those are the items. And some students ask about this comma right here. So for me, if you want to be very clear, you should add the Oxford comma, which means the comma before and. That just makes it very clear that you're talking about different items. If you don't put a comma before and, it's okay, but sometimes there might be confusion. So just be careful. If you're doing a list, it's just the best option to put a comma there. Alright, so here's our quick quiz. It's just a short practice. So you have a picture of food and just write a list with the food in the picture. So take a few seconds, write something, and I'll give you an example. Okay, so here's an example. All right, yours can be different, but this is just one style. There are carrots, tomatoes, raspberries, walnuts, and spinach. Okay, so again we have comma, 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 and spinach, right? So we have 4 commas there. Okay, so I hope you learned something, right? Make sure you like the video if you learned something. If you want to share it with your friends so they can understand the commas, that's a good idea. Don't forget to subscribe if you want a video every week. And like always, thank you for your time.